Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem The Twins by Henry Sambrooke Leigh from 10th Standard English book. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. English workshop The Twins. Margin questions. First question. In which aspects were the brothers alike each other? Answer. In form and feature, face and limb, the brothers were alike each other. Second question. What names did the speaker get? The speaker get the name Henry. Third question. How did the speaker suffer at school? Answer. The speaker's brother always used to make some mistakes or mischief, and speaker was flogged by the teacher. Fourth question. What is impossible in the last two lines? Answer. When the poet died, the neighbors came and buried brother John is impossible in the last two lines. Rewrite putting the mistake in the speaker's life in their proper order. A. He got beaten up often at school. B. The speaker's bride became his brother's wife. C. The speaker desperately asked for guidance. D. No one in the family could distinguish between the twin babies. E. At the naming ceremony, wrong names were given to the two twin brothers. F. Even in death, the twins were not spared during burial. Answer. First E, second D, third A, fourth C, fifth B, sixth F. Question number 2. Put out 4 situations in the lives of the twins which are too absurd and senseless to believe. Answer. First, confusion of relatives. Second, naming ceremony. Third, marriage function. Fourth, death of poet. Question number 3A. Complete the wave diagram. Poet uses humor to create laughter, release tension, reduce boredom, attract attention, make the poem funny, make poem interesting. Question number 3B. Write any 2 lines from the poem that you find most humorous. Answer. First, for somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. Second, and when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Fourth question. Pick out lines that contain A. Alliteration. First example. In form and feature, face and limb. Second, it puzzled all our kith and kin. Third example. And buried brother John. B. Pun. First example. It reached a fearful pitch. Second example. And I was always getting flogged. C. Hyperbole. First, for somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. Second, and when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Next question. Pick out from the poem sets of words that generally go together. For example, kith and kin. First, form and feature. Second, face and limb. Third, year after year. Fourth, domestic life. Fifth, fate's decree. Sixth question. Write in your notebook the summary of this poem in about 15 to 20 lines in your own words. Answer. The poet shares his bad experiences that he had faced because of his twin brother John. The poet was Henry and his brother John was identical twins. Their body structure, face and all body parts look same. That alikeness puzzled people, relatives in recognizing. They were twins, but nobody knew who was born a twin. The nurse exchanged two brothers while washing them, and in naming ceremony, John got Henry's name and Henry got John's name. In school life, John made some mistakes and Henry always got punishment. This confusion continued in domestic life also. When Henry was about to marry to his intended bride, she became his brother's wife. At last, when poet died, neighbors came and buried his brother John. Additional questions. First, write whether the following statements are true or false. First, John was punished by school teachers. False. Second, Henry got married to his intended wife. False. Third, neighbors buried John. True. Fourth, John and Henry were identical twins. True. Fifth, nobody knew who was born a twin. True. Second question, tell who. First, twins were mixed while washing by nurse. Second, brother died in the poem, Henry. Third, puzzled by likeness of the twins. Folks, relatives, school teachers. Fourth, the brother who was married, John. Third question, complete the following wave. Names were exchanged by head's decree, nurse whim. Fourth question, match the words with their meanings. Words, crescent, named, decree, order, resemblance, likeness, folks, people, kith and kin, relatives, limb, arms and legs. Fifth question, write opposites from the poem. First, better, horse. Second, bride, bridegroom. Third, fatal, harmless. Fourth, fearful, fearless. Fifth, question, answer. Sixth, husband, wife. Sixth question, find out figures of speech. When I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. First, alliteration, because B sound is repeated. Second, hyperbole, because the given statement is almost impossible or untrue. Seventh question, write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Answer, limb, him, brother, another, kin, twin, pitch, which, force, nurse, fixed, mixed, whim, him, dogged, flogged, school, fool, new, you, tide, bride, life, wife, on, John, same, came.